In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your eBay watch list with ease. Whether you're keeping track of potential purchases or simply trying to keep your selections organized, this guide will walk you through adding and removing items from your watch list on eBay using your Chrome browser. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to open up your Chrome browser to get started. This should be your go-to application for accessing the internet, and it's crucial that you open it to start this process. Once Chrome is up and running, you'll want to navigate to eBay's website. Now, if you haven't already done so, go ahead and log into your eBay account. This is essential as you'll need to be logged in to manage your watch list, which contains all those items you've been eyeing. Now that you're logged in, let's begin by adding items to your watch list. Start browsing listings as you usually would, perhaps by using the search bar to find specific items or exploring categories you find interesting. As you're browsing, you'll likely come across an item that catches your eye. When this happens, simply click on the item to go to its dedicated product page. On this page, you'll notice a button that says Watch. Go ahead and click this button. By doing so, you're adding this item to your watch list, which allows you to easily keep track of it and quickly return to it whenever needed. This feature is particularly useful for monitoring any changes in price or availability without needing to bookmark every page or keep a mental list of what you're interested in. Now let's talk about how to tidy up your watch list by removing items when they're no longer of interest. To do this, navigate to My eBay, located typically at the top right corner of your screen. Once there, you should see an option labeled Watch List. Click on that, and it will take you to a page displaying all the items you've saved. Here, you'll have a comprehensive view of your list, showcasing the various items you've added over time. To remove items from your watch list, simply click on the checkbox next to each item you wish to delete. Make sure you're selecting the correct items, as this step will ensure you're only removing those you no longer want to track. Once you've selected everything you'd like to delete, locate the button that says Remove from Watch List. Click that button, and those items will be cleared from your list, leaving it more streamlined and organized. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can keep your eBay watch list up to date with your current shopping interests. Managing your watch list efficiently not only helps in maintaining a clean and organized account, but also ensures that you're always on top of your potential buys. Thank you for watching, and happy shopping on eBay.